Hello viewers, welcome to my lecture video on projection of planes. I am Professor Tony Punnuswale from Coimbatore Institute of Technology. So in this lecture we are going to see the projection of planes or plane surfaces. That is, we are going to see the projection of two-dimensional plane surfaces. Such surfaces has only length and breadth and has no thickness. Some of the two-dimensional plane surfaces are shown in the figure. Rectangle, circle, square, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon are some of the two-dimensional plane surfaces. So these two-dimensional plane surfaces are obtained by joining lines along the points which are collinear. Some cases regarding the projection of two-dimensional plane surfaces are going to be discussed from now on. So the first case is when a two-dimensional plane surface is parallel to one plane and perpendicular to the other two planes. So here we are talking about three planes. One is the vertical plane, then the horizontal plane and the profile plane. So here in this figure we are having a two-dimensional plane surface ABC, or we can call it as a triangle. From looking from the front, we get the front view on the vertical plane, and that is the true shape. This is the true shape of the triangle. From looking from the top, we could see the triangle ABC as a straight line. So the top view is a straight line on the horizontal plane. From looking from the right, we see the triangle ABC as a straight line and it is projected on the left profile plane. So on the left profile plane, we get the right view of the triangle. So how to solve the orthographic view or the projection of this triangle is what is going to be discussed next. So to draw the orthographic view of any object or any two-dimensional plane surface, first we have to draw the XY line, then we have to mark vertical plane, then we rotate the horizontal plane about the XY line, and we rotate the profile plane about an axis x1, y1. So the intersection of x1, y1 axis and xy axis is O. From O we draw a 45-degree line to get the profile view or the right view of the object. So we will see it in detail. So first we have to draw the XY line or the reference axis XY. We have the vertical plane above the XY reference axis and horizontal plane below the reference axis. So it is with respect to this XY axis we have rotated the horizontal plane. That is why horizontal plane is at the bottom of the reference line. Then we have another axis x1, y1. It is with respect to this axis that we have rotated the profile plane. So we have the profile plane to the left of x1, y1 axis. Since in this problem the true shape was obtained on the vertical plane, and we have to first draw the front view of that triangle, which is A dash, B dash, C dash. From A dash, B dash, C dash we have to draw vertical projectors downward to get the top view. Then we have to draw a 45-degree angle line. So this is 45-degree angle line. This is 45-degree angle line. So this line we have to draw it from the intersection point of XY reference line and X1 Y1 reference line, which is 45-degree angle. So after getting the top view, we have to draw a horizontal projector from A, B, C, and it will meet the 45-degree line at M. Also, from the front view we have to draw horizontal projectors to the left, and it should pass the x1 y1 reference axis. Then from the 45-degree angle line we have to draw the vertical projectors upward, and it will meet the horizontal projectors from the front view, and that is the obtained front view, sorry, the right view of the object. So in this problem, first we have to draw the true shape of the object, that is the front view. Then from the front view we have to draw the top view. Then from top view and front view we have to draw horizontal and vertical projectors to get the right view. So let's see another problem where the surface is parallel to horizontal plane and perpendicular to the vertical plane and the profile plane. So here the surface is a square. So to get the true shape we have to look from the top. So the true shape of the square will be obtained on the horizontal plane. From the right side we get a straight line on the profile plane. Then from the front view it will be a straight line on the vertical plane. So in figure 2 or figure B, we have to rotate the horizontal plane about XY axis. So this is XY axis. Then we have to rotate the profile plane about X1 and Y1 axis. Then the intersection of X1, Y1 and XY is point O. From that point we have to draw a 45-degree angle line. So looking into figure C, first we have to draw the XY reference axis, mark vertical plane and horizontal plane above and below the reference axis, then draw X1 and Y1 reference axis, then indicate the profile plane. Then from the intersection of X1, Y1 and XY, that is this point, draw a 45-degree line. So this is that line. Now if you look into the figure A, top view will give the true shape of the object. So first draw the top view A, B, C, D. From top view, draw vertical projectors to get the front view. Then from top view, first draw horizontal projectors. It will meet the 45-degree line. Then draw vertical projectors from that line upward. Then from the front view, draw horizontal projectors. It will meet and we will get the right view of the square. So the third problem, in the first problem, the surface was parallel to the vertical plane. The second problem, the surface was parallel to the horizontal plane. And now the third problem, in this problem, the surface is parallel to the profile plane. And you can see here the surface is a pentagon. From looking from the right, we get a true shape on the profile plane. From looking from the front, we see it as a straight line on the vertical plane. From looking from the top, we see the surface as a straight line on the horizontal plane. So to draw the profile orthographic projections, rotate the horizontal plane about XY line and rotate the profile plane about X1 and Y1 reference line. So first we have to draw the XY reference line. Mark vertical plane and horizontal plane above and below the reference axis. Then draw X1, Y1 reference axis. Mark profile plane. From the point of intersection of two axes, draw a 45-degree line. Since the right view gives a true shape of the object, first draw the right view on the profile plane. Then from the right view, project horizontal projectors to get the front view. Then from the right, in the fourth case problem, here the plane is perpendicular to one plane and inclined to the other two planes. So given a triangle plane surface ABC, it is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and it is inclined to the vertical plane and profile plane. Since the given plane surface is inclined to the vertical plane and profile plane, true shape will not be obtained on these two planes. Hence we have to proceed with the top view first. From looking from the top, the true length of the side AB will be obtained as ABC, as a straight line on the horizontal plane. So in the orthographic projection, first we have to draw the top view where phi is the angle of inclination with the horizontal plane. From the top view, draw projectors to get the front view, then draw projectors from front view and top view to get the right side view on the profile plane.